Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and doing well. I hope you enjoy the videos related to the Happy Easter decoration designs, Happy Easter decoration ideas for my viewers who are watching the best YouTube videos related to the designs of Happy Easter collection. Happy Easter centerpieces designs, egg painted designs, creative ideas, and I hope the videos is so attractive and enjoy the videos related the videos of Happy Easter 2025. So if you are searching the best YouTube channel that provides you the decoration for your home, so guys, you are on the right place because I try my best only watch to you the designs, the creativity, and the most amazing thing is that all designs, all colors are so attractive. Painted egg Easter collection, Easter designs, unique ideas, creative ideas for my viewers who are watching the best YouTube videos. And I hope you enjoy the collection and I hope you love the videos on daily basis. Happy Easter decoration ideas, Happy Easter goods designs, Happy Easter creative ideas. If you have any question, if you have any suggestions, then ask me in comment box. Watch, like and comment because I think this collection is very useful for you. Most demanding articles, most creative articles for the Happy Easter 2025. Thank you so much guys to appreciate my YouTube channel, to visit my playlist about the Happy Easter 2025. I hope the designs of Happy Easter floral arrangements ideas. Thank you so much guys to recreate the walls, the designs, and I hope you enjoy the videos on daily basis.
लग जाती देखा बना चाहते थे मतलब